everybody, and this evening I am doing my first part of the farm tour. And the first thing I'm going to show you, this is the tedder that's been tedding silage for us this year, and it's a New Holland 254 tedder, very nice tedder. And that's our shed. This is all I'm showing. And that's our Teagle fertilizer spreader that we were grass eating with a Fergie. That's our cattle box. That there is a small hay bale stack. We bought some small bales. That's our Forsen, well, I think it's a Forsen Super Dexter tractor. That's also good. That's our ride-on lawnmower. One of our fertilizer spreaders. And the quad bike there. That's our Nuffield 460. One day, if I get time, I'm going to make a tour of that tractor and a tour of my John Deere. Our John Deere. So, yes. Very nice tractor that. We detached the tractor and the tedder. Well, we detached the tedder from the tractor. Yeah. This really isn't a long video. I'm doing another part of a farm tour, definitely. Yeah. So, you can see a caravan there. That's a trailer underneath that cover. Yeah. So, this is very good. I'm not sure if our ride-on lawnmower still works, but I'm not gonna try today. Yeah, it's very good though. I really like that tractor. That's one of my favorite tractors on the farm that hasn't got a cab, because it's an amazing tractor. That tractor is huge. So is our John Deere. But that's our French Fergie. That's our Forsen Super Dexter. And I'll show you all the other tractors in the other next part. And that's our Yamaha Grizzly 660 independent. Well, Yamaha Grizzly quad bike there. So, yes, that's all I'm gonna show you as part 1 of the farm tour today. Because I think my battery is starting to get low, so in the next video it will hopefully be much longer than this. So, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.